You can get free unlimited airtime today without spending a cent. Yes, you can get 5 rand, 20 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand. The more you do this, the more airtime you will get. Yes, I want you to watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you step by step of how I get this airtime. As you can see here, here's the proof, and how other people are also getting this unlimited airtime. And what I love about this is available in many countries, so you do not have to worry. Do this right now because they're going to block it soon enough. They're going to block it. So I want you to watch this video step by step, right? Step by step, and you will see on how you can get this free airtime. So before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. Okay guys, the first link in the description, tap that link. It will take you to Play Store. I'm not sure if this is also available in Apple Store. Just download the app. After you download the app, you sign up. After you sign up, then it will take you to this page, right? It will take you to this page. So if you do not see an airtime, that means this is blocked. But don't worry, at the end of this video I will show you alternative ways of how to get free airtime, yes, and free vouchers. So don't worry. Okay, after you land on this page, right, so there are 3 ways of how to get free airtime, right? So you can get airtime by just completing the courses, something like course, and you can get airtime by inviting your friends and just joining atingi, right? So let's start with this one first. Type here, right? Gonna type here, unlock the tourism and hospitality industry. Going to type here anytime, right? So blah blah blah, read there. I do not want to waste much of your time. So as you can see here, you're going to type here on I agree. So then you're going to type there on get recommendation. After you complete the question about you, right, they're going to ask you about the industry that you like, things like that, right? Hospitality, technology industry, these kind of things. So this is the first way of how to get free airtime, right? So go back. So now I'm gonna tap it here, join atingi and invite your friend, right? So you're gonna type here on an airtime, right? So here, right, so here the first way of how to can get the time, we just have to register, right? Register. The second, the last way of how to get free time is just to invite friend. As I told you, tap my link there, it will take you to this website, then register here, right? Register, so you can get your link there. You will get your link on this page, share it with other people, and you'll get more free airtime, right? So to get the first way of how to get this free airtime, you just have to register, right? Tap here on open, right? Open atingi, then it will take you to this website. So on this website, you must also make sure you use the same email address, right? Tap here on register. So here you just enter your ID, your email address, then you just agree, then you press next. So do the same here, you know the procedure. Then after you enter your password there, then press next there. So you can see here confirmation email has been sent to my email. So all I have to do, just have to open your email. Okay, let me go to my emails. So here's the email. So here's the email. All I have to do, just have to confirm your account. Select there, confirm my account. So you can see here, confirm account, right? Continue, confirm there. So you can see here, welcome, right? So that means now you have an account, right? So just fill in an information there. So now you just create my profile, or you can just skip for now. But then for the safety purposes, to be 100% sure that we have an account, make sure you create the account, right? Make sure you enter those account details, right? So you can just go there and do these courses. So now we are just created our account, right? So all we have to do, we just have to go back to our flash out, right? Flash out account. Go back to the app. So after you come back here on your app, so click there anytime. So we just completed we just registered there, right? So we also completed the account, right? We created an account. So click on I complete it, right? Click there. So you can see there, right? It will take you to this page. So if you need to redeem, then you can just tap there on redeem, and you enter your mobile number. Make sure you enter your mobile number here. So I'm just going to enter my mobile number. So you're just going to enter the network there, right? Then you can also enter the amount that you want to redeem. So you can see there 5 or 8. So I'm just going to tap there on 8. So make sure, right? Make sure you select the correct number, right? You enter the correct number. So unfortunately, say Telkom is currently not receiving online top-ups. Our provider is working on it. So just for now, I'm not going to redeem it, because of course they say it's currently not receiving online top-ups either way, guys. But this is all on how to get this free unlimited airtime. Do not forget, you create your account on atingi. The second way to get it is to do the courses. The last way is to invite people, right? Get your link there, then invite people. The more you do these things, the more you'll get more airtime. So that is why I say this is free, unlimited airtime. People are get so much data, so much airtime, right? So much airtime, then they buy data, right, guys? This is all on how to get this free unlimited airtime. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button, you share with other people, right? And if you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, so you won't miss my next video. So as I said, if this maybe it's not working in your country, or maybe this is not just working for you, or maybe as you are watching this video right now, this is blocked, watch this video, right? Watch this video, so you'll see on how to get free airtime, right? Free airtime, right? Do this, right, guys? Do this right now before they block it. Peace.